To punch an order in Exness, whether using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 or the Exness web terminal, follow these simple steps to execute a trade quickly. Punching an order refers to entering a trade order in the system. Log into your Exness account. Open your trading platform and log in with your account credentials. Select the trading pair. In the platform, navigate to the Market Watch window where you can view available instruments. Right-click the asset you want to trade and select New Order, or double-click the asset to open the order window. Choose order type. In the order type field, choose between market execution or pending order. Set order details. Enter the volume you want to trade. Optionally, set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. For market orders, simply enter the amount you wish to trade. Place the order. Click buy or sell for a market order or place for a pending order. Your order will be executed and you will see it listed in the trade tab.